Today, we will derive the double angle formulas for sine, cosine, and tangent using the compound angle formulas. The double angle formulas express trigonometry functions of an angle 2 theta in terms of the functions of the angle theta. So let's start the sine angle first. For compound angle formulas, sine alpha plus beta equals to sine alpha times cos beta plus cos alpha times sine beta. In these triangles, as you can see in OPQ, sine beta equals to length PQ over positive 1, so equals to length PQ, and OPQ, cos beta equals to length OQ over positive 1, so equals to length OQ. Those sine alpha equals to length AQ over cos beta. Those length AQ equals to sine alpha times cos beta. And in triangle PQR, cos alpha times cos alpha equals to length PR over sine beta. So those length PR is going to be equal to cos alpha times sine beta. Those length PR equals to cos alpha times sine beta, and length AQ equals to sine alpha times cos beta. Those sine alpha plus beta, we just figure out this sine alpha plus beta equals to sine alpha times cos beta plus cos alpha times sine beta. When we set alpha equals to theta, beta equals to theta, then it's going to be sine theta plus theta equals to sine theta times cos theta plus cos theta times sine theta. Those sine 2 theta equals to 2 times sine theta times cos theta. Now let's discuss about cos 2 theta. Cos alpha plus beta equals to cos alpha times cos beta minus sine alpha times sine beta. So in these triangles, cos alpha plus beta equals to length OQ over length of P. Those length OQ equals to length OS minus length QS. So it's can be described as this formula: length OS over length OP minus length QS over length OP. Moreover, length TR equals to length QS can also described as length OS over length OR times length OR over length OP minus length TR over length PR times length PR over length OP. And it can be described as cos alpha, it can be described as cos beta, and it can be described as sine alpha, and it can be described as cos sine beta. Those cos alpha times plus beta equals to cos alpha times cos beta minus sine alpha times sine beta. So when we set alpha equals to theta, beta equals to theta, then it's going to be cos theta plus theta equals to cos theta times cos theta minus sine theta times sine theta. So it can be described as cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. And we're going to record the other formula that we learned before, that sine theta times cos theta equals positive 1. So we can cos squared theta also can be described as positive 1 minus sine squared theta. Those it can be described as 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. So lastly, we're going to talk about tangent formula. So tangent alpha plus beta equals to tan alpha plus tan beta is over 1 minus tan alpha times tan beta. So tan alpha plus beta equals to sine alpha plus beta over cosine alpha plus beta. So we're going to recall compound angle formula that we talked about before, and so it's going to be called like this. And also it can be described as this one. Those we're gonna just times this value, and it can be described this one. So sine alpha over cosine alpha equals to tan alpha plus sine beta over cosine beta equals to tan beta. 1 minus sine alpha times sine beta over cosine alpha times cosine beta, so it's going to be equal to tan alpha times tan beta.